Hi guys, and welcome to The People's Penguin Plays Universe Sandbox 2. So on episode 1 we're going to start off simple and we are going to launch an object at Mars. So we'll just select Mars. We just got the standard solar system, our solar system, and we're going to launch a projectile at Mars and hit it from the far side from the sun. That way we might be able to knock its orbit slightly closer to the sun and see what effect that has. So the first object that we're going to hit it with is a moon-sized object. So I think we'll actually hit it with... Go hit it with a moon-sized object? We'll hit it, what we'll do is we'll hit it with Titan, which is pretty much the same size. Well, it's not far off Mars as it is. So we'll just slow time down so we can get this impact and do away, like so it might knock it towards the sun. Start there. There we go. We have impact. So let's see how that affects Mars. First of all, has it affected its orbit? Yes, it has. We have hit Mars on an orbit, so it is orbiting closer to the sun. Not by much, but hopefully by enough. Make a difference. So hopefully the mass has increased slightly. I don't know if it has increased or not. I think it has slightly. It will have done. It should have done. After throwing something that's similar size to it, towards it. Or not far off. So we'll see. The surface temperature is cooling rapidly. We'll just speed up time. See how that affects. And it's actually getting colder. Oh no, it's starting to warm up. Let's see what the orbit's like. So we've not only have we knocked it off course, knocked it down a little bit, so it's going to orbit much closer to the Earth, into that habitable zone a bit further in. So let's see what the temperature does, and then when we get it sort of like when the temperature levels out, we're going to try and introduce some water to Mars by hitting it with a few comets. Let's just speed up time, see what happens, see how close it actually gets to the orbit of the Earth. I think we've knocked it. I think the orbit's a bit elliptical. Yeah, so it kind of has a closer. It gets closer to the sun once a year. Not by much. There isn't much in it, but it is orbiting closer to the more like the Earth's orbit than what it was originally. And it is heating up rapidly. And then it cools down, right? So it's actually heating up on its sort of its summer, if you will, as it comes closer to the sun. Now we've knocked it a little bit on more the orbit a little bit closer to the sun. Let's slow time down. What we'll do is we will actually hit it with some comets and see if we can't add a little bit of water to the red planet. So we will select comet. Always comet. Alice Comet will do nicely. Slow it down. Very slow now. Ali's comment. Yeah. See what that does water-wise. Added a little bit of water. We'll pretend there's some kind of like an asteroid shower, and we'll a few times. See what that's doing. The climate of Mars. Not much. Not doing much to the temperature of Mars. And we've still got 0% chance of life, so we'll add a few more asteroids to Mars. But any water that forms is going to freeze. So there is water on Mars now, but it's frozen. We'll pepper it with a few more asteroids, get that water content up a little bit more. That'll do for now. Then we'll hit it with a bigger comet. A few bigger comets. Smash it with them. We actually do have water on Mars now, but it will be frozen. Surface temperature is minus 55 degrees, and we do actually have a small likelihood of life. I'm guessing that's because of the water. So now that we've added a bit of water, 54.9 degrees. Let's hit it with something slightly bigger. Maybe something the size of our moon. In fact, we'll hit it with our moon. See where we'll hit it so it goes a little bit closer. Done. Slow time down a little bit. Here it comes. So we've actually knocked it closer again. And the surface temperature has skyrocketed, and look at the water vaporizing from Mars. We've lost all his water. So maybe we should have actually hit it with the comets after. But see. We'll see what that's done with the orbit. We'll speed things up. Hopefully we won't collide with it. See what that's done. Speed it up so we can see the full orbit. Now we've knocked it way off course here. Ooh, we may actually collide with Earth at some point. That is very close to the Earth's. In fact, it crosses Earth's orbit. Ooh, that was close. Put time down here and see if we can see how close to actually hitting the Earth. Time round. But you can see the orbits do actually cross just there, just touch slightly. And his life likelihood is now 0 again. We're going to add a little bit of water to Mars. Do it the cheat way. So we have now added water. Mars. We have a small life likelihood, and the mass is still nowhere near the Earth. Slow it down a bit. Let's see, you can see the ice on Mars. Hey, got 1% water. Ah. Still very close. Let's see what's going on Earth. We've actually affected the Earth, or something's affected the Earth. 300, right, so greenhouse gases 390 and 82. Where was that? Where did I just see that then? Oh look. We're in climate, wasn't it? Greenhouse gases. Where's greenhouse gases on it? Ah, climate, that's why. Maybe. Oh. We're done. What have we done? Advanced. Turn the climate on, but see the greenhouse effect, but we can't see greenhouse. The likelihood for life has gone up slightly. What have we done with the orbit here? The orbit is massive now. In fact, we're almost out to Jupiter. Flying through asteroid belt. No wonder that I think we've buggered Mars. So what we're going to do, because I don't think we can do anything else now with this. We're not going to get back on course. So we're going to hit it with something really big. So let's hit it with. I'll do. Hit it with another Mars and see what happens. We're going to destroy it now. Run out of options. Okay. We're going to hit Mars. The Mars that we've buggered up. With the correct Mars. See what happens. I'm up a little bit. Brace for impact. Mars is actually smaller than. Oh, and Mars has eaten our Mars. Surface temperature is only 94.3. Let's see that. That should rise. That's cooling very quickly. It's very strange. Right, what have we done to its orbit? Knocked it off course again. Have we knocked it really off course? What have we done here? Yeah, we've seriously buggered it up. Right, so it's a lost cause. So what we're going to do is we're going to make the mass of Mars 1 Earth's. There we go. And we're going to give it more water. We give it some hydrogen? Have we just turned it into a gas giant? And we've turned it into a gas giant, so we'll take that hydrogen back off. Let's give it a core. Give it more iron. See how that affects it. Not really doing anything. We'll give it more iron. Got water. Speed time up. Temperature is minus 126 degrees Celsius. It's heating up, but I think that's just because of getting close to the sun. Say about life. So life likelihood goes up through the summer and then dies. So it goes really similar to Earth. Surface pressure, let's give it 1 atmosphere. See if that makes a difference. Not far off. Earth life livelihoods. What are we looking at for water? Bit of hydrogen. Take some of that off. Don't want a little bit of hydrogen. And then we've got what appears to be a ball of ice. See what happens when the temperature up a bit. How far out of the orbit are we? Are we on our way back? No, we're on our way away from the sun. Still getting warm. Bad sign. That's not a bad sign at all. Come on, let's get surface pressure at 1 atmosphere. Atmospheric mass will go 1 Earth. 1 Earth. 1 atmosphere. We have a bit of ocean going on there. But a lot of ocean. We don't want that much water. Let's tone the water down. We have continents on Mars. Pause it. We have continents on Mars and they're not red. What it looks like to look out into space from. Okay, so let's have a look at compared to. So life likelihood 39.1%. That's not bad to say. All we've been doing is mucking about. So get it back on. Speed up time a bit more. See what goes on with this climate. So it's just getting hotter and hotter and hotter and hotter and hotter. Don't want it too hot. Slowing down as it gets further away from the sun. Got a feeling that as we reapproach the sun, go a lot higher than that. It's going to go a lot. There we go. It freezes as we go out. Back it crosses over Earth's path. Let's see what happens if we increase the sun's mass by. Boils and freezes. A lot going on in there. I think there's a good chance that Mercury and Venus are going to smash into it. Chance we could hit. Or Earth. Slow it down a bit. But no, speed it up. Let's speed it up until we actually do crash. I think that'd be pretty funny. A lot going on in there. Here we go. Here we go. The one. Oh no, it's not. Come on. Let's see you hit. Nope, it's not gonna hit. Alright, let's make the sun. Twice as big again. Where's Mars gone? Oh, there it is. Mars now orbits further out than Jupiter does, which is quite impressive. Where's Mercury gone? Oh, Mercury's there. So far, through some miracle of physics, nothing has hit each other. Right, let's see what'll happen. Slow time right down. There's. Slow time right down. Okay. Let's see what happens. Launch star through our solar system. Our Betelgeuse. We'll go with the sun. We'll launch the sun through solar system. Right, here we go. Go. Here it is. Sun. Moving. Moving. Speed up. See what happens. Sun passes through. Or should I say, a star the size of our sun and composition of our sun. See what happens. This is going to cause all kinds of chaos. I feel I've gone off on a tangent rather than just like trying to experiment with Mars. But I kind of lost that, so yeah. I'm going to mess about now. What's going to happen here? Oh, look at the Earth! What? Oh, supernova. Supernova, and bye bye Earth. Bye bye Saturn. What happened to our Mars? That. Mars go. I think Mars died. Jupiter. Yeah. There's the supernova that we just created. And look at the mess. We have killed the solar system. Not yet, we haven't killed the sun. Because black hole. Put Sagittarius. No. Big one. Oh, we've launched it. We didn't put it in the middle, we launched it. Where's it gone? Oh, there it is. Sagittarius A. The black hole. There. It's got sucked inside it. Speed up time. Anyway, yeah, so basically we destroyed the solar system with a supernova. I didn't actually mean for the sun to hit the sun, but there you go. So anyway, that's the end of the video, guys. I've had tons of fun with this game. I mean, this is like the first time I've even attempted to make a video. It's first cut, it's not edited, it's just bare bones. If you have any ideas of things you'd like me to try, things you'd like me to do on here, I don't know, for example, colonize, terraform Mars or things like along that line, just drop it in the comments section below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and all your comments are appreciated. Thanks guys, see you next time.